What's up, everybody? This is Steven Palomino with another update for the Schedule Assistant application. I'll go ahead and walk you through some of the bug fixes and enhances that I've added and just kind of some of the feedback that I've received from testing. So first of all, I'll just show you really quickly. If we did go ahead and make a test account here, if we try to create an account with something that's existing, we were getting some errors that were really technical, and I've just gone ahead and cleaned that up a bit to be a bit more readable. So if I go ahead and create a new account, we get a little message that says it was created, and then we're automatically logged in. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a couple of appointments here just to have something to work with. I'll do for tomorrow. Another and one more. I'll do third. Have it for 2 days from now. And save. Okay, so first of all, we'll notice if we go to in progress, everything goes moves around as expected, and you'll also notice I've added a third section here called completed. I've added to the end I've added it here at the bottom just so that we don't clutter the in progress and upcoming, as there'll probably be more traffic up here. So let's go ahead and go through the completion. If you go through this the first time, it'll tell you that you've got to set up a bank account because you can't take payments without setting something up there. So, and also if you go through this, if you do fill this out and try to review and continue there, it'll pop up again and it won't let you continue. So let's go ahead and set this up real quick. And we'll put some data in here, date of birth. And there is some simple validation here. So if you do put this year, it won't let you continue. So this is as if the client was making a bank account. So the first thing it'll do is it'll make an account with that information, and then secondly it'll make a bank account and link it to that account. So let's just put in some dummy information here from Stripe, just to allow us to do some testing here. So once we save this, it'll add to the account. Now if we go back in, everything will be blank. You can add another account to use as the default, but just for security reasons we've taken all that out and not let it autocomplete for security reasons. So now we can go ahead and go through this completion. We'll do $5 here, and we have added an ability for the customer of the client to put in an email to receive a receipt. So I'll just put in the same email, and we can put in again the dummy information. And once we confirm and pay, everything goes through and it moves into completed. You'll notice that completed obviously shows the completion circle. In progress shows the in progress icon, and once we go into completion, you don't have the ability to push any of these buttons because you won't have to put completed or canceled or in progress. So we've kind of just removed that to make it just a bit easier. Something else we've added based on the feedback was just the ability to add an appointment from the calendar. So now it's the same flow. You hit save and it'll just come right back to the calendar, and everything will get refreshed, everything will get synced, and everything will be updated. And so just to kind of review a bit more, here's the dashboard for Stripe, which is the payment processing. You can see that the $5 has come through. Something that was different from last week was that it was just all coming to one account. Now whenever you create an account under the settings for the application, under setup and bank setup, you can set up your own bank. Each user has their own banking information. You'll be able to see the connected accounts. Everything is linked here, and it's almost as if they have their own account here on Stripe, so they don't They don't see any of this, but everything's automatic. Any payments will go into that bank account, and it'll be as if they had their own account. So next steps for next week for the release candidate, we'll have everything finished up and polished for the final gold, the master gold build. We'll be testing a lot, making sure all these features are doing what they're supposed to and syncing correctly, and we'll take any more feedback and bugs or fixes and implement them before the final build. So thanks again for watching, and we'll stay in touch. Thank you.